I just wanted to take you through not a new Google product, but an older Google product that's being used in a new way that you might find useful for your classrooms. Google Keep is an organizational tool, a note-taking tool. You can create lists by simply clicking here, and then it'll allow you to make a bulleted list that you can check things off, so sort of like a to-do list. You can at any point change the color of your notes. Okay, so you can do a list note, or you can do a image note to save an image, or you can make a note and add a drawing if you're using a device like a tablet that has a stylus. So all kinds of, or just a straight up note where you don't have the check boxes like this. This would be the list type. This would be the non-list type here. So it allows you to take notes. You can also pin those notes to the top of your set of notes, or you can let them go down so that you can scroll through them. Okay. You can also put labels on each of your notes. So when you go down to the bottom of the note down here, notice you have a bunch of different features you can use. If you click on the more, you can add a label. So you can organize your notes by labels, and then when you click on that label, it'll only show you the notes that have that label. So personal versus work, etc. Okay. Also down here, notice you can add a collaborator to a note. So if I wanted to share this note with someone else, we'll go with Lori Koopman in this case, because the note has to do with the student modules for 7th grade for the one-to-one, or 6th grade, excuse me. So I'll click save, and now that note is going to be shared with her. She can add items to it or put other notes that we need there. In that case, I should add the other collaborators, but I will do that after I'm done with this video. Okay, so this is the note-taking module. You can get to it by going to keep.google.com. You can also add the app from the web store so that it appears in your list of tools. Okay, I usually just type keep.google.com. If you're on a Chromebook, the Keep app is already added for you on the toolbar. Okay, so the new feature for Keep is that it is now completely integrated with Google Drive. So if you open up a new document or an existing document, and you go up here to Tools, you will see as a choice Keep Notepad. When you do that, it pulls up all of your notes over here, and then any note, you can do notes from your mobile device like your cell phone. Any note that you do over here can then be dropped into your document, edited, and revised. Conversely, if you type some text over here, you can highlight that text, right-click on it, and then save that note over here into your notepad. So it allows you to quickly take notes from your Keep, put them into your Google Doc, or quickly take things you found in a Google Doc and save them as a note. So that's Google Keep. It's an organizational tool that works with all the other tools. It works on a Chrome pad, it works on an Android phone. I believe it also works on an iPhone. So Google Keep.